Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create PayPal account in Philippines. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the PayPal website. And then after that, click the sign up. And then you have to choose whether it is personal or business account and then click next. And then after that, you're going to put your email and then your phone number, and then you can now create your own password. After that, you can now put your first name, middle name, and then your last name. And then for the additional info, you're going to put your nationality, ID type, ID number, and then your birth date. And then you're going to put your address. And then after that, click the agree and create account. Now you can now shop and send money, or you can also link your card if you have any, but if you don't, just skip this part. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.